All right, let's be real. Most Airbnb setup advice you'll find on YouTube right now is actually quite outdated. It's not wrong, but it's built for a version of Airbnb that no longer exists. And following that old advice doesn't just waste time, it could quietly be setting your business up to be a failure in 2026. And if you're still using those same setup tips that everyone were using last year, this video is for you because earlier this summer, Airbnb quietly changed the rules again. They issued a raft of new rules that's changing all aspects of how we host and earn money on Airbnb's platform. Look, I've seen hosts pour thousands into beautiful spaces. They get new furniture, fresh paint, they get professional photos taken, and still they get buried on page 5 of Airbnb. And it's not because their space wasn't good enough, but it is because Airbnb's algorithm now rewards clarity over aesthetics. And guests aren't just booking the prettiest listing anymore. In fact, they're booking the ones that feel easiest to understand. And in this video, I'll show you the 3 setup shifts that smart hosts are making as we prepare to go into 2026. And I'm also going to share 2 traps that quietly tank new listings. And if you want to follow along step by step, there's a free Airbnb setup checklist. This is the 2026 edition, and you can go and grab that down below. Everything that we're covering in today's video, you can find in that setup checklist. All right, think about setting up your Airbnb almost like going through the airport. And you probably know that feeling when the TSA line has no clear signs. People are probably cutting across lanes, and no one actually knows where to go. And that is unfortunately how most listings look from the perspective of your guests. So every photo, every design choice, it either helps them move forward or these choices tend to slow them down. And when you slow them down, Airbnb notices. Airbnb's new algorithm, well, it boosts listings that helps guests decide quickly. So let's go and jump into the first shift. Now, the old advice used to say, decorate your property for that instant wow moment. And as we prepare to go into 2026, the new advice says, design for instant understanding. So your layout should actually whisper to a guest, I know exactly how to use this space, not where's the light switch. And how you should think about this is, if a stranger should walk into your property blindfolded, could they actually find the bed, the coffee maker, the Wi-Fi in 30 seconds or less? Now, if they can't do that, you want to rearrange the space until you're able to answer this question with an affirmative yes. Because when you get this right, that one right choice helps to build predictability. And predictability, y'all, helps to build trust, which leads to increased bookings and repeat bookings from guests who love your property and want to come back. All right, now let's move on to the second shift. And what you want to think about is that guests aren't hunting for decor inspiration. They're actually scanning your property, seeking out safety and comfort. Those simple cues, even things like your lighting, having things labeled, spotless surfaces, those things together signals to your guests that this space is cared for and this space is clean. And now when into 2026, that is actually what converts. So here's how you can hammer this home even further. Before your next guest arrives, do a 15-minute safety scan. And you want to ask yourself, is your space bright enough? Is the thermostat obvious? Do all the switches work? Y'all, you're not designing for Instagram, you're designing for trust. And when you get this right, you are setting yourself up to start strong in 2026. But even when you get that right, there's one more mistake that quietly buries even the best spaces. So let's go and fix that next. And I hear from hosts all the time that tell me that they feel stuck in setting up their property. And what you need to realize is you don't actually need a degree in interior design. You need to stop trying to make your living room really look like a Pinterest board that no one actually lives in. And I see hosts sometimes who spend weeks, y'all, weeks chasing themes when guests really just want to show up, they want to breathe, and they want to relax. So here's what you should do instead. Focus on function first. If a guest can move throughout your space without asking a single question, well, you've won. So that is what I want you to put the bulk of your energy in. Yes, I understand you want your space to look good, but what guests really care about is that things work. And you're going to be ahead of the curve in creating a space that guests actually love spending time in and leaving 5-star reviews reflecting a positive experience. So if you're finding this information helpful, I want to invite you to hit the like button. And if what you want are tips and strategies that help you both launch and build profitable Airbnbs, I want to invite invite you to hit subscribe because I post videos like this every single week that helps new hosts just like you build and grow profitable Airbnbs. So go ahead and hit subscribe for me. All right, now let's move on to that third shift. Airbnb is now rewarding authenticity. So guests are looking for spaces that feel lived in, not spaces that just feel staged. And so some of those small personal anchors, such as a local map, a note, a real plant, those are some of the things that help to humanize a space, and it actually makes the space feel memorable. So here's how you can tap into this. You want to leave one intentional imperfection, something that says, this space is real, and guests actually remember real. And before going further, there's one additional trap that I want to bring to your attention because some hosts can't actually stop editing their listings. They're constantly updating their photos, they're adding new colors, new titles. Sometimes they're doing this every single month. And under the old rules, you might have gotten rewarded for this, but Airbnb's 2026 algorithm will actually punish you when you're making so many changes to your listing. That's because frequent edits starts to look and feel unstable, and stability equals trust, and trust is actually the thing that leads you to kind of rise in the rankings and make your way to page 1 of Airbnb's homepage. All right, so here's what you should do instead. You want to refresh once per season, not every month. And you want to keep that vibe steady so Airbnb and your guests actually come to trust what they see. So the theme of what I'm sharing so far is that the smartest hosts in 2026 aren't going to be doing more. In fact, they're going to be doing less, but doing it much better. They're creating spaces that make guests feel confident, not just impressed by the design. And coming up, I'm going to share with you the simple design cue that we use in every single property that really keeps guests from overthinking and helps us to drive faster bookings. And I know some of you may need a little help applying this, and I want to invite you to grab the Airbnb setup checklist. It has been updated for 2026. So this is the new checklist that is reflective of the changes that Airbnb made earlier this summer. And it walks you through each shift, each trap to avoid, and even includes some of those seasonal refreshes that you need to make to keep your property relevant. And you can go and grab it down below. So now that you know how to set up your property for 2026, your layout, your lighting, your story, and making sure all those things are working for you. But here's the catch. And setup will help you get seen, but what happens next, decide if guests are going to book or whether or not they're going to bounce. And even the best setup can actually save bad communication. And Airbnb's data show that listings with better guest communication get more bookings and higher rankings on Airbnb's platform. And that is why you need to watch that next video on the psychology of guest messages that gets you 5-star reviews. And you've built your setup. Now it's time to actually protect it, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market.